How's everyone doing today? I wanted to do a little bit of a daily update intraday about what happened with Apple, what's going on with Apple. This video should be significantly shorter than the other one, so hopefully it's a little more manageable for everyone. So I again mentioned yesterday that this 412, 47, 27 mark, excuse me, would be the entry point for Apple. If we broke this, then we would be able to get long. As you can see, the first candle of the day right here, we broke that, went straight up for the first half hour ish, almost an hour worth of trading. This is a 10-day or 10-minute chart per candle, and really till about midday, we basically just went straight up. Nice little consolidation here, but we did have a final leg up all the way up to 421.63. All right, so if you did take that entry, you had a nice little plus 9.5 move. And now we're seeing some consolidation back down and some selling after such a strong move up. But this candle isn't the worst. It's not the best by any means. Ideally, of course, for anyone that's bullish, we would have wanted to see this kind of hold the price up here a little bit longer. But again, for those who took the trade, hopefully scaled out somewhere either in here or at least when it hit 420, since this was such a key point as far as resistance goes. All right, so just kind of going forwards to touch on that really briefly. Here's the daily chart, as I mentioned before. What we really want to see here is some consolidation. Maybe some sort of a bull flag to be formed, something along these lines. And of course to hold that 10-day moving average, but something along these lines. The 10-day moving average right now is somewhere around 408, and change, I'd say. What is it? So you can see there, it's right at 407 right now. So that's the mark that we really, really want to hold at the absolute bottom. Of course, if we break through this top tomorrow, great. Hold on to any position that you've got left and scale out accordingly. I'll go do a video a little bit later about how to enter and how to scale out of positions and maybe when you want to consider scaling out of a position. But again, some sideways movement, especially since this week is short with 4th of July being off and tomorrow being a half day. Some sideways price action, maybe even into the middle of next week would definitely be constructive in order for us to see a break of this 423 mark and head up hopefully to 445 and then 465. All right, I'll keep you updated as things are kind of moving along. I do not have a position at this time. I actually scaled out half of what or 3/4 of what I had bought in right around here in that 420 area, and then my last quarter got stopped out right in this 418, 417 area, just following. All right. So again, I'll be looking to push this long above today's highs. Hopefully we see some consolidation, and good luck trading.